was never the best at saying goodbye, but I'm pretty good at writing songs. So I'm just writing. You can thank me for teaching you, thank me for believing you. Honestly, the whole time, I'm the one that needed you. Thank you for always believing in Mr. Drew. When I'm gone, know that I'll always be missing you. Thank you for the opportunity to be myself with you. God was helping me the whole while I was helping you. Thank you for making room when I had lunch with you. I'm glad we all found a place where we could be comfortable. Without you, I wouldn't know how to be a teacher. Without you, I wouldn't know how to be a leader. You changed my perspective, I'm grateful ever since. You're the roots and seeds of my experience. You're far from a failure, step into the light. Some days are gray and some days are bright as our time fades away. Embrace the flight. Yeah, I changed your grades, but you changed my life. Take what we've learned and pass it on in turn. This fire inside will forever burn. The path you take is yours to discern, but we are family as far as I am concerned. Administrative walkthroughs, yeah, I was nervous. Every day we had the room looking like a circus. Without a doubt, I'ma scream and shout, it was worth it. I provided you a service, you provided me with purpose. Shooting rockets, cause it was part of the curriculum. Honestly, I just wanted to be a kid again. I didn't have any rockets when I was growing up. In so many ways I can thank the kids for blowing up. Headed to a different school, another year, a different crew. Without you, there wouldn't even be a Mr. Drew. So know that when things start to get difficult, even from Georgia, I'ma see the mission through. Share all the reels, I'm giving you permission to show off the classroom, make the love visible along the way. Don't forget your principles, respect perspectives of other individuals. We don't use the R word, everybody's different. We don't use the N word, please don't be so ignorant. One thing I hope that you learned in our time is that you can't judge another man by his pigment. This is for the kids that never took me serious. The kids in the back who weren't even slightly curious. The pain in your eyes always seems so mysterious. I ain't even mad at you, not even slightly furious. Just a little sad I couldn't help you with your grades. Hopefully the break helps you make it through the day. There's a time for work and there's a time for play. I'm confident in time that you're gonna find your way. Know that you were missed all those times that you slept in. Thank you for the lessons, our time was a blessing. Ironically, I chose this path after I met my daughter. Becoming a teacher turned me to a better father. Life is getting harder, but each day you're getting stronger. Daily getting smarter and your stamina is longer. No time for taking breaks, get your back up off the locker. The world is yours to conquer. Tap into your chakras. You've always had a vision, just needed an ambition. A few helping hands and an open heart to listen. Gotta guard your heart in the world of competition. Just remember, everyone is in opposition. From atheists, Jewish, Muslims and Christians, Hindus, rednecks, gangsters and Wiccans. I love y'all the same cause you're all my children. I love y'all so much I give you all my feelings. Minding my actions and watching what I say, cause I can't take them back, these words are here to stay. Trying to find self is like a needle in the hay. Hard to be yourself with phony people in the way. So I'ma lead the way before I leave today. Doing everything I can, get on my knees to pray. Dear God, help these children when I'm gone. Dear God, help them with their right and wrongs. Dear God, show them that they all belong. Dear God, I hope they listen to this song. The thought of being gone has a panic coming on. I'm like, bring it on, cause I know the love is strong. Just like that. Love you guys. At Mark Drew Speaks. Hit me up. Let me know what's going on. Alright? It's been more than great. It's been more than amazing. It's been everything and so.